The Ibex choose the steepest cliffs to raise their young, in safety beyond the reach of predators. Living in this sanctuary comes with a cost. These nursery slopes are so steep there is almost no standing water up here. So to drink, an Ibex family must descend into the valley 1,000 feet below. The mothers pick out the safest way down, but the newborn kids are still having to find their feet. This is their first descent. One mistake could make it their last. Following the adults, the kids finally reach the valley. But once on level ground, they're vulnerable. At the first sign of danger, the young Ibex instinctively run back to steeper ground. The fox has them trapped, or so it seems. This is what Ibex were born to do. Scattering makes it hard for the fox to pick a target. And it certainly can't follow them up here. All it can do is wait for one to slip and fall. But these youngsters are fast learners, and they're now almost as sure-footed as their parents. The fox will have to find its meal elsewhere. Now, at last, the young Ibex can drink, but they'll soon need to return to the safety of the sheer cliffs.